A whole primitive alarm system includes the detection part, transmission part, and control center. We prepared 3 zones to demonstrate. This is Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 3. There are 3 kinds of transmission way: wired transmission, bus transmission, and internet transmission. For a better demonstration, Zone 1 is for network transmission. Zone 2 is for bus transmission. Zone 3 is for wired transmission. The control center includes the alarm host and software. The alarm host includes these parts: visual alarm, keyboard, backup battery, network model, bus model. After wiring is completed, set the property of each different zone, and the setting method will be introduced separately. Then the admin, so the keyboard input password. The default is 123456. Press the admin key. When somebody intruder, it will alarm. And at the same time, the electronic map will show which zone alarms. Software will send voice alarm.